Right guys, we're going to try a little field flight. So we've walked over to our nearest field, which you've seen with the large airwolf. So hopefully we can get a bit of a flight out of her. The grass is a little bit long, so I'm hoping she takes off and all that, alright? So let's get her bound up and then we'll go for a play. You alright? guys, there is a wind. It was blowing, as you could probably see on Manicam. The wind was making it do that, obviously with the weight of the cameras and stuff, so we're going to try. If the cameras are still running, you get a little view. We live up that way, down there guys, so yeah, let's see what we can do. Let's play it back. I will upload it, see what you think. I know it's going to be wobbly, but there you go. Have a great day. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe.